Okay, that is nothing but streams. You guys also listen, everyone. Streams. Sir, what is meant by streams, sir? Okay, now what is meant by streams? Why we are using streams? Okay, first thing here, stream is nothing but it is a channel or medium. Okay, now stream is a channel or medium. Okay, now stream is a channel or medium. Okay, what is the purpose of streams, sir? Okay, now first I'll write here stream is a channel or medium. Okay, now stream is nothing but what, sir? Here stream is a channel or medium. Then what is the purpose of streams? Is nothing but streams is able to carry a data in continuous flow from input devices to the Java application, Java application to the output devices. Okay, now so what is meant by stream here? Stream is a channel or medium. What is the purpose of the streams here? Streams is able to carry a data from input devices to Java application and Java application to output devices. So the main purpose of streams is just to carry a data. Okay, now carry a data. Okay, try to understand, sir, here what I am saying now. It is able to carry the data in continuous flow. Okay, now carry the data in continuous flow from. Okay, now it is able to carry a data in continuous flow from input devices to Java application and Java application to output devices. Okay, now you guys are able to understand what I am saying now here. Okay, now so stands simply say streams is nothing but pipes. Okay, now so here these pipes, I mean these streams is able to carry a data. Okay, now so next after that here, okay sir, done. Then tell me how many types of streams is there? How many ways we can carry the data? Okay, so there are mainly two types of streams. Okay, now mainly how many types of streams here? Two types of streams. What are the two types of streams? Is nothing but the first one is byte oriented stream. Okay, what is the first one now here? Byte oriented stream. And next, the second one is character oriented stream. Okay, now you guys are able to understand what I am saying now here. Okay, now first thing, stream is nothing but channel or medium. Just it is used to carry a data from input devices to Java application and Java application to output devices. But here, how many types of streams is available? Two types of streams is there. Okay, now what are the two types of streams? Is nothing but the first one is what? Tell me now. Byte oriented stream. Okay, sir. Then what is the purpose of this byte oriented stream? Okay, now what is the purpose of byte oriented stream? First streams is nothing but just carrying the data. The byte oriented stream is nothing but the byte oriented stream is also a stream. It is able to carry a data in continuous flow from input devices to Java application and Java application to output devices in the form of bytes. Okay, now in the form of what now? Bytes. Okay, now tell me here what is the purpose of byte oriented streams here? byte oriented byte oriented streams are able to carry the data. Okay, now byte oriented streams are able to carry a data in continuous flow from tell me, sir, everyone open your mouth, then only get subject. Okay, continuous flow from input devices to Java application and Java application to the output devices in the form of what? Very good. In the form of bytes. So, can bytes is nothing but what's are here? Zeros and ones. So, can it is able to carry a data in the form of bytes. Is nothing but zeros and ones. Okay, if you want, I'll show you in a diagrammatical format also. Okay, for example, I will go through that paint. Okay, I'll go through that paint. First, I'll give you one overview about the streams. Okay, so now try to understand, sir. Here, I'm writing here like a first streams. Okay, streams. Okay, then streams. Tell me how many types of streams I said now here. There are two types of streams is there. Okay, now Tell me what are the two types of streams now? The first one is what, sir, here? Byte oriented stream. Byte oriented stream, right? Oriented stream. What is the byte oriented stream? Byte oriented stream is nothing but what's are here? It is able to carry a data in the form of bytes. Okay, now then what about the second one here? The second one is character oriented stream. Okay, now character oriented stream. Okay, now sir, what is meant by this character oriented stream, sir? Byte oriented stream is nothing but just it is able to carry a data in continuous flow from input device to Java application to output devices in the form of bytes. Same, the character oriented stream is also, it is able to carry a data in continuous flow from input devices to Java application and Java application to output devices in the form of characters. Okay, in the form of what are here? Characters. Okay, so programmatically also now here we will discuss in depth about this. Like a for example, if you are using byte oriented stream, how the data is converted into byte oriented stream to like a character oriented stream. I mean bytes we are not able to read the bytes, right? Say yes or no, sir. We can't read the bytes, so we have to read the characters only. We can read. But for example, some 1,000 characters is there. At a time we can read only one character only, but 1,000 characters you want to read, how many performance is required here? 1,000 operations is required, so we can't read at a time only, I mean at a time one character we can read, so 1,000 characters we have to read. So that's why here how many operations is required here? 1,000 operations. So it is difficult, right? So just here we have to read the content only. How we can read that? All the stuff we'll discuss here. Okay, first thing here, streams. How many types of streams here? Two types of streams: byte oriented stream and character oriented stream. Okay, now here we have discussed about byte oriented stream. Okay, right? So in the byte oriented streams also, okay, now there are two types, sir. Okay, now how many types of byte oriented streams here? Two types. What are the two types of byte oriented streams? Is nothing but the first one is input stream. Okay, now what is the first one now here? Input stream. Next, the second one is output stream. Okay, now input stream and output stream. Okay, sir, done. First thing, streams two types: byte oriented, character oriented. Byte oriented streams also again two types. Okay, now input stream and output stream. So what is meant by input stream here? What is meant by input stream? So tell me now, what is meant by input stream is nothing but here these streams are able to carry the data from input devices to Java application. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, sir, what I am saying now here. These streams are able to carry the data from input devices to Java application. I mean, simply say, for example, in my laptop, in some folder, okay, now some folder, some content is there. Okay, now some content is there. That content I want to send it to the Java program. Okay, I want to send it to the Java program. Okay, so in my folder, in my laptop, for example, I have created one folder, for example, Newsem. In that folder, I have created one text file. Okay, now, so in the text file, we have some byte type of data is there. I want to send the byte type of data to the Java application. So tell me, this is I'm sending the data to input device to Java application. This is a byte oriented stream, or input stream or output stream? Input stream. Input stream is nothing but we are sending the data. Okay, now so in my laptop, in some folder, some data is there. I am sending the data to the Java application. That is nothing but what here? Input stream. For example, in my Java application, some data I am writing here. That data I want to send it to the some folder. Okay, in Java program, in Java application, I am writing some data. That data I want to send to the some folder, some specific folder. In my laptop, I said news in one folder, right? And that folder too I have to save. Okay, now so I am sending Java application to the some folder. That time we have to use what's are here? Output stream. Okay, now so these streams are used to carry a data from input devices to Java application. Okay, now input devices to Java application, right? Okay, now input device to Java application. Now you guys are able to understand, sir, what I am saying now here. Okay, sir, done. So by using these streams, input stream, we can send the data to the Java application. So tell me some just a few basic examples for input streams. So you have any idea about that examples for input streams, sir? Any idea about input stream? Tell me, anyone. For example, I'll tell you. Try to understand here. We have like a byte, okay, na byte array input stream. Okay, na byte array input stream. And next after that here, for example, like a file input stream. Next after that here, I'll go through that. Next one, data input stream. Okay, data input stream. Okay, and next after that here we can say buffered. Where next class we are going to see about this one only. Okay, now that is nothing but what's are here, buffered input stream. Okay, now this all the stuff we are going to see in the next classes. Okay, these are all the examples for what's are here, input stream, byte array input stream, file input stream, data input stream, buffered input stream. Next class we are going to see at least 1 to 2 examples. Okay, and next after that here, now we know about input stream. The second one is what now? Tell me now. Output stream, right? Output stream. So you only tell me what about that output streams here. And I have one question. Please try to understand. Here I have written few names right here. Byte array input stream, file input stream, data input stream, buffered input stream. Each and every word first letter is in uppercase. So means these all are the classes. Okay, right? Okay, done. So output stream. So tell me what about this output streams are here? Tell me, ma, what about the output stream here? These streams are able to carry the data from Java application to output devices. Okay, now Java application to output devices. Okay, now here also streams are able to carry a data in continuous flow. Okay, now in continuous flow. Okay, now continuous flow from Java application to output devices in the form of what's are here. That is also important, in the form of bytes. Okay, now here also we have to write what now? Application in the form of bytes. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, right, sir, what I'm saying now here. Okay, now so here in the input streams we have seen few examples, right? In that output stream also we are going to see few examples. So tell me the examples here. For example, here I'm writing byte array input stream, right? So tell me how we can write now here. Byte array output stream, byte array output stream. Next after that here I have written about like a file input stream. So how we can write now? File output stream. Okay, now file output stream. Okay, now file output stream. Next after that here I have written buffered input stream. I have written, right? So how we can write now here? Buffered input stream I have written, right? So tell me, buffered stream, buffered output stream. Okay, right? Now you guys are able to understand, sir, what I am saying now here. A data input stream is available. So tell me how we can write the data input stream now here. Data output stream is not there. Okay, now only data input stream is only there. Okay, now data output stream is not there. Okay, these are the examples. First thing here, I'll have to write the diagram also. First streams. In that streams there are, first thing, what is meant by streams are here? Respond my everyone. What is meant by stream here? Stream is a channel or medium. It is able to carry a data in continuous flow from input device to Java application to output devices. In that two types is there. What are the two types now here? Byte oriented streams and character oriented streams. Okay, now byte oriented streams and character oriented streams. Now, what is meant by byte oriented stream here? Byte oriented stream is also a stream, but here also we can here we can transfer the data in the form of bytes. Okay, now so in that bytes also, how many types is there in the byte oriented stream? Two types is there. What are the two types now here? Input stream and output stream. What is meant by input stream, sir? It is able to carry a data in continuous flow from input devices to Java application in the form of bytes. Okay, now so here what I have to write now here? Input stream. Okay, next after that here what I want right now here? Output stream. Okay, now input stream and output stream. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, sir, about this input stream and output stream. Okay, now and next after that, okay, sir, byte oriented stream you have seen. Done very good. Next after that, here the second one is also available. Okay, what's the second one now here? Character oriented stream. That also we'll discuss. Before that, okay, no problem. Before that, here now we'll go to the second one, character oriented streams, right? Second one, character character oriented stream. So tell me, what about the character oriented streams now? Respond everyone here. These streams are able to carry the data in continuous flow. Okay, now it is able to carry a data in continuous flow from tell me, from input devices to Java application and Java application to output devices in the form of what, sir, here? In the form of characters. Okay, now you guys are able to understand. So tell me, how many types of the by character oriented streams here? There are two types. So what are the two types now? The first one is what? The first one is what, sir, here? Streams. Now byte oriented streams, two types. So input stream, output stream. What about here character oriented streams? Here also two types is there. The first one is like a reader. Okay, now first one is reader and the second one is writer. Okay, now first one is a reader and the second one is writer. Right? Next, after that, here try to understand what is meant by reader, sir. Okay, now what is meant by reader? Okay, now try to understand what is meant by reader is nothing but these streams are, okay, now three streams are used to carry the data. Okay, now used to carry the data in continuous flow. Okay, now continuous flow from input devices to, okay, now input devices to Java application. Okay, now input device to Java application in the form of what, sir, here? In the form of characters. Okay, now in the form of what? Characters. This is nothing but what, sir, here? Reader. Okay, now reader, I mean simply say like a character oriented stream. I mean reader is also a character oriented stream or not? Okay, now character oriented stream. These streams are used to carry a data in continuous flow from input devices to Java application in the form of what are here? Characters. Okay, in the characters also we have to see few examples. Okay, now so here we have seen like a byte array input stream we have seen here. Say yes or no? Byte array input stream. Here in that reader, here we have like a char array reader. Okay, na char array reader. Okay, next after that here, second one what we have seen here? File output stream. Okay, next here we have like a file reader. Okay, na file reader. Okay, next after that here buffered input stream is available. Now tell me what we have right now here? Buffered reader. Okay, now buffered reader. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, sir, what I am saying now here? Reader. Okay, next after that second one also. Okay, done. Reader we know. Next, what is the second one now? Writer. Second one is what now here? Writer. You only tell me, sir, what about the writer here? Tell me, my everyone. These streams are able to send the data or carry the data from Java application to output devices. Okay, now Java application to output devices in the form of what, sir, here? In the form of characters. Okay, now so tell me, you only tell me now the examples here. What we have seen now here? For example, char array reader. And now here we have to write what, sir, here? Char array writer. Okay, next after that here file reader is there. Next file writer. Okay, now next after that here buffered reader is there. Next here we have write what, sir, here? Buffered writer. Okay, now buffered writer. Okay, so like the story is there. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, sir. So tell me, first thing here, come to the diagram. Okay, we have seen about character oriented stream. Again, how many types in the character oriented streams here? Two types. What are the two types of character oriented streams now? Reader and writer. Programmatically also we'll discuss, sir. Okay. Okay, now here I'll go through that what? Reader. Next, after that here I'll go through that writer. Okay, now reader and writer. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, sir, about this reader and writer. Respond my everyone. Okay, now here I'm pasting the diagram also. Okay, now streams, types of streams, everything. Now you guys are able to understand, sir, here. Okay, but try to understand. For example, I'll give you one stream. Okay, I'll give you one stream. Try to understand. For example, I'm giving one stream. My stream name is like a buffered reader. Now tell me, this is a byte oriented stream or character oriented stream? How you are saying character oriented stream? Reader. For example, input stream. Okay, otherwise file input stream. This is a byte oriented or character oriented? Byte. How we are saying the byte oriented? Stream. Okay, now so I'll give you one note point. So try to understand, sir, here. Okay, now that is nothing but, okay, now that is nothing but in the case of byte oriented streams. Okay, in the case of byte oriented streams, all the stream classes, okay, all the stream classes are ended with the word called, what's are here? In the ended with the word called, tell me what's are here? Stream. Okay, na stream. In byte oriented stream, all the stream classes are ended with the word called stream. And next, after that, here second point also, tell me now, in that like a character oriented streams also. Tell me, sir. In the case of character oriented streams, in the case of character oriented streams, tell me. Yes. All the stream classes are ended with either reader or writer. Okay, na? Either reader or writer. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, sir, about the streams here. So mainly, first just observe the diagram here. Mainly, how many types of streams is available here? First of all, stream is a channel or medium. It is able to carry a data in continuous flow from input device to Java application to output devices. There are two types of streams is there. What are the two types of streams now? Byte oriented streams, character oriented streams. What is meant by byte oriented stream now? It is able to carry a data in continuous flow from input device to Java application and Java application to output devices. Okay, now in the form of bytes. In that again two types. Okay, now input stream and output stream. Character oriented stream is nothing but it is able to carry a data in the form of characters. Okay, any doubts in this concept, sir?